Hello, welcome to my channel. This is one of the easiest flower to make and I named this Ranunculus. I use crepe fabric to make this flower. If you haven't watched my tutorial about how to cut fabric with soldering iron, please see the description below and I will give you a brief on how to cut the fabric. So we heat up the soldering iron and start cutting like this. Crepe fabric is a little difficult to cut compared to chiffon, lining, organdy, and tulle fabric. When you cut it not too slow or not too fast. You can see it was perfectly cut. Now grab tweezers and cinch this fabric. When you hold the fabric, make sure to hold it straight on top of the flame like this. So it's not like this or this, you should hold it straight like this. And you can see the fabric starts to curl. Make 6 pieces of this and cut a small piece of lace fabric. You can use any color you want. Layer all the fabrics together. And stitch to hold them together. Put the lace fabric on top and start sewing the beads and rhinestones. And our ranunculus is done. I made this with other colors. And if you want smaller flower, you can make the smaller templates. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.